We have some more to go to look at the strong verbs, the formation of verbs in the present, past, and participle. We have some more to look at. Okay. F. We have done some in F, and we look at some more we have. And here we have fly. You fly a kite. You flew a kite. You have flown kites. Okay. You have fly. Learn to fly. Flew. Or you can say you fly in an airplane. You flew in an airplane. You have flown. Okay. Another word we have forget. You forget to do your homework. I forgot to do my homework. I have forgotten, completely forgotten to do so. Forget something, forget. You forget something, forgot. E changes to O, forget, forgot. And finally, forgotten, forgotten, forgotten. You have forgotten completely about the work you're supposed to do. Forsake means just throw out, give up, abandon. Forsake, forsook, forsaken. So you forsake somebody. Forsaken, forsaken. Forsake, forsook, for S double O. You forsake your little puppy outside your gate. You forsook and you forsaken completely. Forsaken. Forsake, forsook, and forsaken. And then finally we have freeze. You freeze something. Or in the cold, you freeze. In the cold countries, you freeze, froze. You had not enough warm thing, so you froze. And then in the past participle you have frozen. Frozen. You freeze something in your freezer, you froze your whatever item you had, and now the things are frozen. Now next we have G. In the G category, let's see the words we have here. Get, present, got, past, again the past participle, got. Get, got, and in the past participle also it is got. Another word is give. In the present we have give, gave, given. You give. You give alms. You give something to someone. Give. You gave. You finish giving. Give, give, gave. Change I and made into A. Given. You have already given. Given. Give, gave, given. Go. You go to school. You go. Go. You went. And you gone. You go to school, you had, you went to school, and you're gone. Go, somewhere go, went, gone. Go, went, and gone. Next, grow. You grow. You grow a tiny plant. You grew some saplings. Grew, and you have grown many saplings. Grown, grow, grew, grown. Now grind. Mummy grinds flour. Mummy grinds grains. Grind. You grind something. You ground. Made into powder. Grind. Ground. And in the past participle also, it is ground. Grind, ground. Now let's look at all the grow. Yes, we have done. Now we are looking at the strong verbs. We are studying the strong verbs in its three forms. Present, past and participle. Fly, flew, flown. Forget, forgot, forgotten. Forsake, forsook, forsaken. Freeze, froze, frozen. Get, got, got. Give, gave, given. Go, went, gone. Grow, grew, grown, and finally grind, ground, ground again. So we are looking at the strong verbs when you change the inside. Forget, forgot, changing the inside. When you change the inside vowel of the present and make it past, that's called the strong verbs. We have lots more strong verbs and the three forms to look at.